Topping DX5 versus FiiO K13 R2R review. Which desktop DAC amp should you buy? Looking for a powerful desktop DAC and headphone amp, but can't decide between the topping DX5 and FiiO K13 R2R. These two take very different approaches. So let's see which one makes more sense for you. If you're interested in checking out these products, I've tagged them in this video, and you can find them through the product link in the description. The topping DX5 is designed around dual ESS ES9039Q2M DAC chips and offers a fully balanced amplifier section. You get USB, optical, coaxial, and Bluetooth connectivity, plus a color display and 10-band parametric EQ. For headphones, the DX5 provides 6.35mm, 4.4mm balanced, and 4-pin XLR outputs, making it flexible for different headphone setups. Its focus is clean, precise performance with plenty of power and extensive configuration options. The FiiO K13 R2R takes a different route. It uses a 24-bit R2R resistor array DAC design and gives you both NOS and OS modes. This makes it particularly interesting for listeners who want to experiment with different digital processing approaches. The K13 R2R also includes USB, optical, coaxial, and Bluetooth inputs, along with a 10-band EQ, 3 gain levels, and balanced headphone output. Its high-power balanced output makes it suitable for a wide range of headphones. So which one should you choose? The DX5 is the better choice if you prioritize a clean, highly detailed presentation, strong output, and lots of connectivity and adjustment options. The K13 R2R is more appealing if you're specifically interested in R2R technology and want to experiment with NOS and OS modes. Your headphones and listening preferences should decide the winner. If you want a feature-rich, measurement-focused desktop DAC amp, I'd lean toward the DX5 if you're curious about R2R and want something different. The K13 R2R is worth considering. If you want to check the latest details or buy these products, I've tagged them in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which one you choose.